For the 2015 Tech Club experience, I was placed at Morning Star Elementary School. Primarily, I was teaching kindergarten and first grade students. These students were very young compared to others in their elementary school, but still seemed to have a great time. Their program name was called the Lucky Stars, and in Lucky Stars, us as Tech Club took part in leading kids through interactive websites as well as tech worksheets. For example, one activity we did was had students visit a website called buildyourwildself.com and create different depictions of themselves depending on different vertebrate classes that we assigned to them. Some struggles that we dealt with when teaching in the after-school program were with students reading and writing. Because they were so young, many of the students were still learning different ways to write letters and still learning how different letters sounded and how words being put together would sound and read. Some of the successes that we had in the Tech Club were getting students to compare and visualize. For example, we did a lesson on greater than, less than, and equal to. In comparing the greater than and less than sign to an alligator's mouth eating the bigger number, we were able to allow students to visualize better which number was bigger. To better the Tech Club experience, I feel that the program coordinators should allow for more older students to come to the program. With more older students learning the same subjects and being more knowledgeable about higher level thinking, they might be able to offer great insight to younger level students. In teaching these younger students, I found that being positive is extremely beneficial. Staying positive and being excited about certain subjects sparks life and energy in these students as well. In staying positive and energized with these younger students, I found that it's not necessarily the most important thing to be concerned with the amount of work that students are doing. The most important thing to be concerned about is the correctness of the work that they're doing. Being able to sit down with students and make sure that they completely understand a subject is the most important. In understanding that every student learns differently, I, as an instructor, need to be prepared to teach in many different ways so that every student understands. Overall, I had a really fun time at Morning Star. Their Lucky Stars program offered a very positive and energetic experience. Being that it was my first time in an elementary school and teaching in a program like this, I'm really excited for the future, and I hope that there's programs like this in future schools that I teach at, so that students have as many opportunities as they can to be successful and have a lot of fun in their school.